Can you play Baseball 9 multiplayer or with friends? Now, unfortunately, there's no real way to play with your friends or multiplayer on Baseball 9. If you search through every menu here, you go to shop, accessory, gear, customize, upgrade. You'll be able to find that there's no multiplayer option directly to play with your friends. You can't be a striker and then your friend be a pitcher or anything like that. There's no such thing, right? The closest way you can do or play multiplayer. So if you go to league here, you can see there's something called league standings. You can sort of compare the score with your friends, right? And then go compete for the highest score. Now, again, there's no real way for you to play multiplayer. If I go to league here and I go to Ready and I play a game and then I tap on this and then once it loads, you'll see that these are not real person. I'm just playing against a couple of bots and then this is just the grind over and over again. The developer unfortunately have no real system for multiplayer on online play. The closest you can get is of course to just play and compare your league standings and then go for a high score with your friends. So again, there's no real multiplayer or playing with friends feature on this app that's present whatsoever.